Welcome to KiddzieLand, where imagination is no bound.
Hey everyone! Today we are diving into the wonderful world of vegetables. Join me as we discover 50 unique and nutritious options that will inspire your next meal. Let's get started. Carrot. I am crunchy and sweet, a vibrant orange treat, rich in vitamin A for healthy eyes each day. I am a carrot. Carrot. Tomato. Juicy and red. In salads and soups, I am spread. Packed with lycopene for a healthy heart and spleen. I am a tomato. Tomato. Potato. Versatile and hearty for any meal or party. Full of potassium for energy and rhythm. I am a potato. Potato. Onion. Layered and strong, in cooking I belong. Full of antioxidants for immune defense. I am an onion. Onion. Spinach. Leafy and green, a superfood machine. Rich in iron and vitamins for strength and good skin. I am a spinach. Spinach. Broccoli. Little green trees, full of nutrients to please. High in fiber and vitamins for a healthy immune system. I am broccoli. Broccoli. Cabbage. Layered and round with benefits abound. Packed with vitamin K for bones strong each day. I am a cabbage. Cabbage. Cauliflower. White and dense, a cruciferous defense. Full of antioxidants for a cancer-fighting stance. I am a cauliflower. Cauliflower. Peas. Little green peas. Loved by boys and girls. Protein and fiber packed for a nutritious snack. I am a peas. Peas. Bell pepper. Red, yellow, green, and this is I am keen. Rich in vitamin C for a strong immunity. I am a bell pepper. Bell pepper. Eggplant. Purple and glossy, and this is I am bossy. High in fiber and vitamins for health so fine. I am a eggplant. Eggplant. Pumpkin. Orange and round, in pies I am found. Rich in beta carotene for vision so keen. I am a pumpkin. Pumpkin. Sweet potato. Sweet and orange delight with nutrients that excite. Full of fiber and vitamins for a healthful flight. I am a sweet potato. Sweet potato. Zucchini. Green and mild, versatile and wild. Low in calories and high in nutrition. Perfect addition. I am zucchini. Zucchini. Radish. Crunchy and spicy, a root that's nicey. Packed with antioxidants for health advancements. I am a radish. Radish. Beetroot. Red and sweet, a nutritious beet. Rich in folate and fiber for health and vigor. I am a beetroot. Beetroot. Corn. Golden kernels delight, a summer night sight. High in fiber and vitamins for energy and might. I am a corn. Corn. Lettuce. Leafy and crisp, in salads I lisp. Low in calories for a diet that's balanced. I am a lettuce. Lettuce. Kale. Dark green and tough with nutrients enough. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants for health constants. I am kale. Garlic. Pungent and white with health benefit inside. Rich in allicin for heart health win. I am a garlic. Celery. Crisp and green in snacks I am seeing. Low in calories for a crunchy bite that's lean. I am a celery. Cucumber. Cool and fresh in salads I am mesh. High in water content for hydration intent. I am a cucumber. Asparagus. Green spears delight in springtime sight. Rich in vitamins and fibers for a healthful driver. I am a asparagus. Artichoke. Green and spicy, a taste so likey. Packed with antioxidants for a heart that's giant. I am a artichoke. Brussels sprouts. Mini cabbage we are with benefits by far. Rich in vitamin K for strong bones every day. I am a Brussels sprouts. Squash. Yellow and bright, a for delight. High in vitamins and fibers for health that's higher. I am a squash. Turnip. White and purple bulb in stews I am bold. Rich in vitamin C for immunity. I am a turnip. Leek. Long and green in soups I am seen. Full of vitamins and minerals for health essentials. I am a leek. Okra. Green and slimy in gumbo I am creamy. High in fiber and vitamins for digestive systems. I am a okra. Parsnip. White and sweet, a root to meat. Packed with vitamins and fiber for a healthy driver. I am a parsnip. Chili pepper. Hot and spicy, in dishes I am dicey. Rich in capsicum for a metabolism akin. I am a chili pepper. Mushroom. Earthy and dense in flavors immense. Full of antioxidants for a health stance. I am a mushroom. Ginger. Spicy and warm in teas I transform. Rich in gingerol for health in a whole. I am a ginger. Turmeric. Golden and bright in dishes I am right. Rich in curcumin for inflammation dim. I am a turmeric. Fennel. A nice flavored delight in dishes I am right. High in fiber and vitamins for digestive systems. I am a fennel. Endive. Bitter and crisp in salads I lisp. Low in calories for a healthy diet. I am an endive. Swiss chard. Colorful and bright in dishes I delight. Packed with vitamins and minerals for health essentials. I am a Swiss chard. Collard greens. Leafy and strong. In dishes I belong. Rich in vitamin K for bones every day. I am a collard greens. Mustard greens. Spicy and green in salads I am seen. packed with vitamins and minerals for health essentials. I am a mustard greens. Bok choy, crunchy and mild. In stir fries, I am wild. High in vitamins and fibers for health that's higher. I am a bok choy. Watercress, peppery and green. In salads, I am keen. Packed with vitamins and minerals for health essentials. I am a watercress. Napa cabbage, leafy and light. In stir fries, I am bright. Packed with vitamins and minerals for health essentials. I am a Napa cabbage. Kohlrabi, bulbous in green. In dishes I am seen. High in vitamins and fiber for health that's higher. I am a kohlrabi. Jicama, crisp and sweet. In salads I meet. Packed with fiber and vitamins for digestive systems. I am a jicama. Chayote, green and light. In dishes I am bright. High in vitamins and fiber for health that's higher. I am a chayote. Bitter gourd, the bumpy green veggie that's packed with health. Magic despite my bitter taste. I am a bitter gourd. Taro, starchy and sweet. In dishes I am neat. Packed with vitamins and minerals for health essentials. I am a taro. Red cabbage, packed with nutrients and a splash of color for your meals. I am a red cabbage. Cluster beans, nutritious legume, rich in fiber and low in calories, perfect for a healthy diet. I am a cluster beans. Raw banana, packed with nutrients and versatility. Raw bananas are unsung heroes of the kitchen. I am a raw banana. Thank you for joining me today as we explore 50 different vegetables, each with its unique flavors, textures, and health benefits. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a curious foodie, I hope this journey through the world of veggies has inspired you to try something new in your kitchen. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel KiddzieLand to see more videos like this. Thank you.